Hey folks, in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF in your Wix website. It's super simple. Let's get cracking. So I've already set up our website in Wix. It was super simple and it took just a couple of clicks. But what we need to do now is add an app to support PDF viewing. So what I'm going to do over here is navigate for PDF viewer. I'm going to add that to the site. And this is going to be installing this into our Wix website. Okay, that's now installed. So we need to double click to add in our PDF that we created earlier. And that's going to be uploading that to Wix and we can resize it. But of course, because we're using the free version of this app, there is a watermark, which is a bit of a downside. What about if we use TiinyHost? So I've logged into TiinyHost and the first thing we need to do is upload that exact same PDF. So let's grab that. And because we're using TiinyHost, there are a range of different options we can be looking at when uploading files. Of course, we can restrict access, we can modify the display mode, we can hide it from search engines, enable comments, and also disable PDF downloads. But I'm not going to worry about that for now. I'm just going to click publish. And this is going to be uploading the file to TiinyHost's servers and making it available via that new domain, which is fantastic. And of course, we can view that link via the domain, but also we can access it via QR code and we can embed it. And that's what we're going to be doing right now. We're going to click on the copy link option and it shows us a variety of different ways that we could be sharing this file. Of course, we can get a QR code, we can embed it, we could do social sharing, but also we can share and track it as well. But today we're going to be using the embed code. So this will pop up some HTML code that we can use on our Wix website. So let's give that a copy. So we're going to get rid of the PDF widgets. So delete that. Okay, so all we need to do now is add in our embed code, which is super simple. So you click add elements, click embed HTML, paste in the link that we got from TiinyHost, click update, and there is our PDF. Nice, easy, super simple, and happened within a couple of seconds. So there you go, how to embed a PDF in your Wix website in a matter of seconds using TiinyHost. Super simple. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With that, I'll catch you in the next one.